Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the back cover on the Motorola Moto G Power 2024 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. At first, turn off the phone. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat as this can damage internal parts. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the back cover and the frame. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Slowly lift the cover using a suction cup and carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal parts. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the broken back cover from the body. If your back cover is severely damaged, carefully remove the broken pieces from the body. Next, before installing the new back cover, clean the frame edges. Verify there is no broken glass pieces or adhesive. Next, install the new back cover with adhesive. You can use back cover adhesive or B7000 glue for this process. Place the rear cover back onto the device and press it down gently. For a better seal, use back cover bonding clips to hold it in place while the adhesive fully dries. You can remove the clips after some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.